another impeccable games of volleyball on the Sunday afternoon. This is Bucal Season 5 Women's Volleyball. This live coverage is powered by Converge FiberX solution, the fastest internet connection in the Philippines. And for this afternoon, Kelly, we have our first game, the UNC Greyhounds against USI Falcons. You can watch this live coverage at Bucal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, and One Media TV 48 Naga. Or if you have time, you can visit us here at the NCF Covered Court. I'm Aljon, and alongside me, Kelly, take it away.
It's another live action here at the NCF Covered Court, and we will be witnessing the battle between USI Falcons versus the UNC Greyhounds. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
So Kelly, itong dalawang team na to, hindi na sila bago sa season ng volleyball. UNC Greyhounds finished the finals appearance, first runner-up last season. The USI Falcons naman, Kelly, magandang ipinakitang laban nila, but we expect a lot from these both teams.
Yes, Aljan, and of course, I think these both teams magpapakita talaga sila ng galing at husay sa loob ng court ngayon.
And prior information, marami daw bagong players sa dalawang teams na ito. May nag-stand out, may mga sumali ng iba't ibang tournament. So, it's very certain that these teams are experienced in terms of volleyball.
Yes, Aljan, actually, kanina nga sa side ng UNC, I talked to Miss Leslie de Guzman. Actually, she's a player last season, but now she's a part of the coaching staff due to her injury. So, hindi po siya makakalaro. And of course, health first before anything else, di ba?
So, dito naman sa UNC, may magbabalik daw on her last playing season. And yung team captain ng UNC Men's Volleyball is now their coaching staff. So makikita talaga natin ang transition ng coaching staff, also the players, at may mga magbabalik. So watch out this afternoon.
So Aljan, since I wasn't part of last season of women's volleyball, I think on the USI Falcons, they are most of them are new set of players.
That's
Therefore,
true, Kelly.
I believe na magpapakita talaga sila ng galing sa loob ng court.
At dito naman sa USI Falcon, makakasama natin maya-maya si Amanda para magbigay sa atin ng reports. At on the side naman ng UNC Greyhounds, makakasama natin si Ali at para magbigay ng reports on the side of the Greyhounds.
Yes, Aljan, we are looking forward, of course, those players to step up on their own game. Kasi syempre, this is Bucal, this is new season. Therefore, every team is aiming for the championship.
Now, Kelly, you can visit here at the NCF Covered Court. It's Sunday afternoon, maraming walang klase at may magpapahinga ngayon, ano? So you can support your teams by watching our live coverage, watching live here today at the NCF Covered Court.
So to our live viewers, just always keep on supporting us, of course, on Bucal Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. So on the side naman of the USI Falcons, of course, we have Amanda nga on the court side. Therefore, I think she's ready to give us an update regarding to that matter. And as we have observed right now, all the players of the USI Falcons are really doing their best, even in the huddle, even in the warm-up. And I think magpapakita talaga sila ng galing mamaya sa loob ng court.
Let's toss it to Amanda to give us some updates on the side of the USI Falcons.
Women's Volleyball. This is Amanda Lazaro from Caceres Polytechnic Colleges. Pero makakasama niyo ko ngayon sa side ng USI Falcons. Before the first set, ay nakausap ko nga ang coach ng USI Falcons na si Coach Krisha. Puspusan ang training at preparation ng USI Falcons. Month of August pa lang ay nagsimula na silang magpakondisyon for this season. A
sir,
combination of recruited and homegrown players ang meron sila this year. Dinagdag pa nga ni Coach na this team is more better and more stronger. With this, the USI Falcons is now ready and ultimately ready to show their passion and spike beyond their limits. Yan lamang ang update mula dito, Oragon Sports TV, reporting. Balik sa inyo, Aljon and Kelly.
So thank you so much, Amanda. Starting pa lang ng August, nagtitraining na ang USI Falcons because knowing their last performance last season, kinapos nila, yes, but I expect a lot from this team na magpapakita talaga sila ng magandang laro. Although a lot or majority of them are juniors, but regardless, juniors or seniors, they have to play their game. Kelly.
yes, Aljan, but now let's toss it on the side of UNC. We have Eliza for an update. Eliza, ano ang update dyan?
Hi, Aljan and Kelly. It's so nice to be with you both as we welcome a new season of the most prestigious volleyball league here in Bucal. Here once again is Ali reporting on the side of the University of Nueva Caceres Lady Greyhounds. Different teams that are equally vicious and hungry for victory is what we are all about to witness this season. For our first game today, according to their team captain Felices, expect a fierce battle as the Lady Greyhounds came prepared carrying months of preparation to finally prove that they are worthy to be on top this season of Bucal. So let us witness the Lady Greyhounds dominate this ball game only here on Bucal Season 5 1 Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
For that update, as we have mentioned earlier nga, Aljan, we've seen how dedicated these players are. And as I've mentioned nga, one of their key players last season, Eliza de Guzman, will not be able to be part of this roster. Therefore, she will just be part of the coaching staff because of her injuries.
So yan, both teams came prepared. Let's say, conditioning, training, at ang iba sa kanila may mga sinakripisyo just to be in this game. At this is their first game, both of these teams. So talaga nang kaabang-abang yan, Kelly. And to wrap things up, magbabalik po kami for more action. So tune up and catch up this game on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Alin yung mga names. Nasaan lang yun? And we are back live here at the NCF Covered Court and mapapanood nyo ang aming live coverage at Bucal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, and One Media TV 48 Naga. You can comment your bets, your idols, so that we can shout out you guys. And you can join us here today at the NCF Covered Court.
Now, it's the start of the first set. As you can see, mga kaibigan, on the service line, it's jersey number 11, Mandasok, serving. First and forced error coming from the USI Falcons. Napalakas yung serve na yon. Medyo feeling ko na-excite lang sila. That is why. Now, on the side naman ng UNC, on the service line, it's jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, Triho. Another unforced error. Palitan lamang ng puntos dito sa service line.
Yes, Kelly, medyo malamig pa ang pasok ng set number 1 para sa both teams. Pero let's see, maya-maya, nag-iinit na yan.
That's true. Now naman, on the side of the USI Falcons, their team captain serving. Another unforced error. Palitan lamang ng unforced error dito ang dalawang kupunan. Let's see if mababago na ba ng jersey number 15 from the UNC. Now, on the service line, Martinez. Easy ball to the open. Down the line here. Wow.
Wow, that was a good point to the open spiker of Greyhounds targeting the down the line hit and really maximizing Kelly, no? Kasi mabababa ang blockers ng USI Falcons.
That's
so number 1
true.
advantage yan ng UNC na talagang papuntahin sa down the line ang bola.
With that down the line hit by Arizobal. But now on the rally. Opposite. Nagawa ng paraan. Naipatama sa blocker. Therefore, puntos for the USI Falcons.
Dito naman sa side ng Greyhounds, mataas ang kanilang mga blockers. So the USI Falcons have to double their effort in terms on their spiking. Kasi pag mataas, talagang covered talaga yan ng net. Pero pag may volleyball IQ, Kelly, lulusot na lulusot yan.
That's true. It will always be depends on the system, on how you will play inside the court. It doesn't matter how tall you are, how short you are as a person, as long as you have this volleyball IQ, you can pull it off. And now on the side of UNC jersey number 5, Chavez. Good serve once again, full reception, and it's a service ace for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now the UNC Greyhounds, a good start for them. Talagang unang set pa lang. Start pa lang ng set, kinakaragahan na ang service. Another for Chavez.
Service ace once again. Full reception po coming from the USI Falcons. Puntos na naman galing kay jersey number 5 from the UNC. It's Chavez.
Sa pag-usapan natin kaya itong dalawang teams na to, ang USI Falcons last season, they fell short. They just reached the prelims. But their performances, I would say, they did their best in representing their schools and themselves. Dito naman sa UNC Greyhounds, sila ang nagtapatan together with the NCF Women's Volleyball sa championship. However, they also fell short and just ended up the first runner-up. But that's not bad, ha? Kasi
That's
maganda
true,
talaga ang
Aljan.
record ng UNC in terms of women's volleyball.
And I can see on their system as well, on the part of UNC, talagang pinag-iigihan nila. Hindi lang sila laro ng laro. Talagang they have this aim to get that medal, of course. But syempre, it's always a game. At the end of that, there will always be a winner and the loser. Therefore, ganun talaga, may nananalo at may natatalo. Pero, ang importante naman is kung paano nila ginawa yung best nila sa loob ng court.
That's true, Kelly. On that last sequence, nakapuntos doon ang USI with a placement shot.
Yes, serving Barosa. Another service out. Puntos once again for the UNC. On the service line for the Greyhounds, it's Arizobal. Good serve. Another service ace. Alam mo, Aljan, what I am observe here, simula pa lang ng first set, medyo talagang kinukulang when it comes to reception yung USI Falcons, kaya palaging may puntos na service ace dito ang
And
UNC.
dito naman ang UNC, talagang mabigat ang service nila.
That's true.
That's where the volleyball starts on their serving.
And now on the rally, on the middle, point for the UNC Greyhounds. I love that play. That quick hit coming from Destajo, the middle blocker of the UNC. How tall she is kaya, no? I think she's 6 flat or 5. I don't know, basta mataas yung bata. Kaya naman ngayon, chance for the USI Falcons. To the opposite. Good recover. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Wow, maganda ang rally na yon, but UNC got the point at napatawag na nga ng timeout ang Falcons dito 11-3. Wow, a good start for UNC Greyhounds. Dito naman sa side Kelly ng USI. Medyo a cold start for them. Their reception was quite not on the system. They
That's
have
true.
to repair it. They have to do their best. They have to do their best in order for them to just somehow, makadikit sila sa puntos ng Greyhounds.
That's true. I think tama yung ginawa ng coach ng USI na tumawag ng timeout para at least mabigyan ng advice yung team ng USI kung ano ba ang mga dapat na gawing adjustment. And let's see if mababawi ba nila ito. Ngayon naman, on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, Arizobal serving. Another good serve. Poor reception once again. Puntos muli sa UNC Greyhounds.
Isabel Kelly, a great server for UNC. Talagang kargado ang service ni Arizobal.
As you can see, Aljan, kanina pa siya sa
That's
service
true.
line. Let's
Arizobal.
see. Good serve. Ngayon, hulog. Nice try by Mandasok. Good cover there. A free ball. Now, Arizobal. Chance to the open spiker. Good save. Wow, what a rally right now. Chance once again. Running hit. Point. Sorry, it's a back quick attack.
Wow, that was a good rally for both teams. But UNC ended it with back wick. And that was this Taho, a tall girl in front of the USI Falcons.
I think she's the tallest among these
That's true,
players
Kelly.
right now on the court. But still, good serve once again. Now, chance for the UNC Greyhounds. The open, but it's an outside block. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. Coming from that point from jersey number 12, it's Triho. Ang galing, no? Even though hindi siya ganun katangkaran, but still, she can pull it off. But
That's
yun
true,
nga,
Kelly. Also the
tinapos na.
power. Last sequence, the power of Trejo talagang powering through the blockers. And we can see naman na mababa ang blockers ng USI Falcons. They have to really solid their block there.
That's true. But now, on the side of the USI Falcons, jersey number 2, Rhea Liquez, serving. That lefty. On the back. Good save there. Nice dig. Open. Good save. Now, chance for the Falcons in the middle. Wow. Talagang, with that simple hit, puntos pa rin, no? Tumama sa blocker.
That's true, Kelly, and that was a good rally there. But the point goes to the USI Falcons challenging the single block
Yes.
of the Greyhounds.
Yes, Aljan, still on the service deck. Good serve, an easy ball.
Trejo powers it through. Wow, challenging the two blockers of the Falcons.
It's really an advantage for the Greyhounds since nga medyo hindi katangkaran yung blocker ng USI Falcons, but still, the elevation of USI Falcons pinapakita din nila. But it's a service ace once again on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. A serve coming from Destajo. Serving. Goes straight down to the net. Puntos for the USI Falcons. Now
Now, it's a 10-point lead, Kelly, 16-6. The wide gap of the UNC Greyhounds is giving them the momentum in this first set.
Good serve coming from Margallo. Let's see. Yes, it's a service ace. Napakabigat ng mga kamay ng mga volleyball players na to. Even when they're just serving, talagang puntos. Now still on the service stack, Margallo. Easy ball. Over receive. In the middle. Good save. Now, gagawa ng paraan. Open. And it goes straight down to the net. It's inside. Sorry, inside. Block coming from the USI Falcons. Still on the service stack, Margallo. Another good serve. In the middle! Wow! What a big quick! Coming from the
Martinez,
middle.
that was Martinez. Tusok na tusok ang tira na yon. Martinez was also a part of the last season team. At talaga namang the killer's hit of Martinez, an automatic point.
The maturity inside the court. She's a senior on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Running hit. But it's an outside. Puntos po for the USI Falcons. Ngayon naman on the service line, jersey number 11, Mandaso. Opposite. Good block. The open.
Chavez using the hands of the blockers. You know what, Kelly? Makikita mo talaga yung volleyball IQ dito ng mga batang to, no? Kahit may blockers, alam nila kung saan nila papalusutin yung ball, alam nila kung paano kukuha ng puntos. And Chavez really testifying that volleyball IQ.
They have that volleyball IQ inside the court na kapag kailangan, kung ano ba ang kailangan gawin para lang makapuntos, gagawin talaga nila. That is why you can see how dedicated these players are. Now, ngayon naman, Aljon, on the side of the USI Falcons team captain, jersey number 13. Serving, it's Javier. Good serve, easy ball. One-hand set! Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Martinez really maximizing his height at that sequence. Talagang hindi nakahabol yung blockers. Though may blockers, pero talaga kinulang. Nahuli ang blockers doon, an automatic point.
Napakagandang pasa, napakagandang set, napakagandang patay ng bola. On the service stack, another service ace coming from Martinez. Wow, sobrang bibigat ng mga service ng mga batang to. Now, a substitution, Mandasat out, and jersey number 3 in, it's Sena. Still on the service line. With a good serve. A chance. In the middle. Good dig. On the back. Good dig once again. To the open. Challenging the blocker. But it's 4 touches. Coming from that spike by Barosa. Hindi umabot.
But you can really see, Kelly, you know, talagang nagtatry ang USI Falcons in terms of their attacking, and they have to continue what they are doing. But the gap of the score, 21-10, UNC Greyhounds just need 4 points to close this set number 1.
That's your Aljon. Pero nga, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Let's see if they can extend it. But on that sequence, another goes straight down to the net. Coming from their spiker, it's Barosa. Puntos ulit for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now Martinez is still serving. That was
Service ace.
That's true, Kelly.
Another service ace coming from UNC Greyhounds. Now, a
22.
timeout. Aljan, let's batiin muna natin yung ating live viewers here sa One Media TV 48 Naga. Of course, nanonood ang president ng NCF na si Engineer Mario Villanueva. Magandang hapon po sa inyo, Perez. And syempre, binabati ko po si John Lloyd Bengo Omnes, Joshua Arcangel, Brent Yuan, Angel Zoratan, Sharma May Gloria Bagasina, and Catherine Regina Peña. Patuloy lang po kayong tumutok sa aming live streaming. Dito lang yan sa One Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now, we are back on the court after that timeout. Aljon, 2 puntos na lamang ang kakailanganin ng UNC Greyhounds to close this set.
That's true, Kelly. Maganda ang pasok ng set 1 para sa UNC Greyhounds. Talagang makikita mo ang maturity dito sa side ng Greyhounds. Dito naman sa USA Falcons, medyo malamig pa ang pasok ng first set, but we'll see if they can, come back on the second set.
And with that down the line hit, tinarget yung likod. Bantay sana si jersey number 12 on the UNC Greyhounds, pero medyo kinapos lang. Puntos coming from Rhea Lique, that lefty from the USI Falcons. Now on the service deck, it's jersey number 12, Gaite. Another good serve. Chance. An overreaching violation called by the referee. Medyo hindi maganda yung pasa ng libero from UNC. Kaya tinawagan doon ng fault. Tinawagan ng overreaching. Still on the service deck. Another poor reception. Now, chance for USI. Chance once again. Combination play. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
That was Isabel really maximizing her height and powering through the blockers.
That's true. Actually, yung blockers ngayon ng USI talagang matangkad sila. And they can pull it off. But syempre, with that hit, napakalakas. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, 25-12 nakuha ng UNC Greyhounds ang set number 1. And for more action, magbabalik po kami for our second set. Only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes! And get into the race with low jitter.
Men and women's volleyball live coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, the fastest internet in the Philippines. Apply now at gofiber.ph. Now, Kelly, tanungin kita, ano nga ba yung mga nakita mong lapses dito sa side ng Falcons?
Well, Aljon, on that first set, obviously, on the side of the USI Falcons, talagang they have a very poor reception. Kaya palagi silang nabibigyan ng service aces ng UNC Greyhounds. But syempre, nilaban nila, nakapagpuntos pa din naman sila, and that's the most important thing inside the court. And syempre, on the side of the UNC court naman, napakalakas talaga, napaka-bibigat ng service, and I think that's their advantage, and also they are tall. At ngayon, let's hear an update on the side of UNC Greyhound. Eliza, ano ang update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Kelly and Aljan. We are now on the second set of the game, and during the first set, we witnessed the good connection between the Lady Greyhounds inside the hard court. During the huddle, they were also commended for their efficient performance on the service line and effective attacks that got their first win this ball game. However, despite their good performance, they were also reminded to go back to their basic defense position in order to counter the USI Falcons. Show a more vicious Lady Greyhounds to the remaining sets of the game. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Kelly and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Eliza, for that update. Yun nga, even maganda talaga ang pinakita ng UNC Greyhounds dito. Siyempre, kailangan pa din naman nilang maging consistent and efficient when it comes to their attacks, on their digs, on their receptions, on their service. Kaya naman, hindi pa kasi tapos ang laban. So, we cannot predict if they can pull it off up until the third set.
That's true, Kel. At dito naman sa Falcons, there were adjustments that given by their coaches, and now let's toss it to our courtside reporter, Amanda.
Thank you, Aljan and Kelly, and that's it. The first huddle has ended. The first part of the game is a bit challenging for them, but that doesn't end the play. They are reminded to keep their focus on digging at pumwesto ng maayos. Also, Coach Krisha told them na huwag magpasindak sa mga spike ng kalaban, magtiyaga sa kanilang blockings, and be prepared to the counter-attacks. Kanina nga ay binigyan ni Margalio at Realike ng spikes ang UNC Greyhounds that leads them to work more and dig stronger. We also witnessed the blocks by number 13, Javier, the team captain. The USI Falcons assured that they will bounce back for the second set. Pinahabol nga ni Coach Krisha na this is the right time for them to shine. This match is intense, kaya tutok lang dito sa 1 Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan lamang update, balik sa inyo, Aljan and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Amanda. So they have to keep their focus on and be brave, despite that the UNC Greyhounds are a good spiking team. But I'm expecting that this second set, the Falcons will shine.
That's true, Aljan. At ngayon nga, 4-3 na ang score. And puntos dito ngayon on the side of USI Falcons. Jersey number 12, Gaite serving. serve. Poor reception. Puntos sa UNC
That
Greyhounds.
was a lucky point, Kelly, no? Over-receive na yon, but puntos pa din sa UNC Greyhounds.
Hindi masyadong na-anticipate ng middle ng USI Falcons. Kaya naman, pumuntos doon yung libero ng UNC Greyhounds.
Now Martinez sets that serves straight to the net. Nilalakasan na talaga nila ang service nila. However, net talaga. Pag super lakas ang service at hindi kontrolado, most definitely straight to the net.
Good serve by Barosa in the middle. Royalique. Another mishit.
Now, on
Puntos
that
po.
last sequence muna, Kelly, no? Medyo under ng bola doon si Realique, and that's why straight to the net. So, the adjustment should be taken into consideration in terms sa mga broken play.
That's true, Aljon. At ngayon naman, on the rally, cross court hit coming from jersey number 8, Arizobal. Wow. Another that emphatic kill coming from the UNC Greyhounds. On the service deck, it's jersey number 5. Now, chance. In the middle, gagawa ng paraan. Babalik ng libero. Arizobal, puntos sa UNC Greyhounds.
Really pushing that ball through the blockers. Nakita niya kasing may gap sa blockers, kaya doon niya pinapunta ang bola. The volleyball IQ of these girls is impeccable.
That's true, Aljon. And still on the service deck, Chusey, number 5, back. It's a service error. Puntos naman ngayon sa side ng USI Falcons. Realique, the lefty, wing spiker, opposite spiker of the USI Falcons, serving. Long ball, another service out, an unforced error coming from Realique. Medyo na-disappoint siya doon sa serve niya. Pero let's see if makakabawi ba dito. Good serve, but it's an out once again. Coming from Destajo. Coming from Arizobal, sorry. Now, wow, challenging the blockers of the USI Falcons.
In that last sequence, that was Trejo really squeezing it through the blockers. The elevation of Trejo is really effective.
Substitution, 1 out and 2 in. A service specialist from the UNC Greyhounds. It's jersey number 2, Lavapie. Good serve! Service ace!
That's her job, Kelly. A service specialist. Magic hugot dito.
That's true, Aljon. Unang pasok, service ace agad, puntos agad para sa kanya. Still on the service line. Another good serve. Gawa ng paraan. It's line. Good hit there by Mandasok. A smart play coming from the USI Falcons. Pumupuntos. Ngayon naman on the service line, jersey number 11, Mandasok. Taking her time. Now serving. Service ace. I think that would be their first service ace here in second set. Napakagandang serve ang ipinakita po natin ni Mandasok on that sequence. She's now serving once again, taking her time. Another good serve. In the middle. Sayang. Puntos.
Another good point for Martinez there. Nahuli ang blockers ng Falcons, so that's why nakapenetrate siya ng bomba sa sequence na yon.
Almost a facial hit doon for Realike, pero na-control pa, and that's good. Now, Mandasok, a service, a chance. In the combination play, but it's an outside hit. Puntos for the USI Falcons.
That was a good set for Trejo. Medyo nanggigil
That's actually
si Trejo doon.
a very good idea. Talagang mawawala yung blockers on the side of USI Falcons, pero masyadong nalakasan. Kaya puntos ng USI. Another unforced error from their team captain, Javier. Ngayon naman sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, jersey number 12, it's Trijo serving. May inaayos lang po sa net. And before we continue on this coverage, of course, binabati ko po si Jason Napire, Mary A. Arizobal, Bella Javier, Rosabel A. Gonzalez, Christine Basilonia Roliano, Christine Hazel, Zane Cortez, Rojem Delphin San Andres, Andre James Kasidsid, Terry Gabo, and Art Abet. Magandang hapon po. Patuloy lang po tayong tumutok dito sa live action sa mga maiinit na labanan ng iba't ibang kupunan. Mamaya po, for the second game, abangan po natin ang NCF Lady Tigers
Against
versus
the Ateneo
Golden
Lady Knights.
That's
So
true.
magandang tapatan din yon sa ating last game. So, Kelly, masasabi talaga natin dito sa second set na medyo nag-improve na ang USI Falcons dito. Dumidikit, tumahabol sila against the Greyhounds. But they have to be consistent. But unfortunately, another poor receive on the side of the Falcons, and Trejo really detonating a killer serve on that last sequence.
That's true, Aljan. Of course, after that first set, I think they already adjusted naman. That is why they can convert points. Pero syempre, hindi pa rin may iwasan ng error, and patuloy pa rin natin nakikita ang poor reception on the side of the USI Falcon. And let's see if mababawi nila ito. Good. Another hit coming from the UNC Greyhounds. I think it's Martinez. Jersey number 8, it's Arizobal. Sorry, it's Arizobal with that outside hit. Good serve to the opposite. Good block there. Coming from the middle of the USI Falcons, it's Margallo. Serving jersey number 5, Rocco. Good serve. On the middle. Good recovery there. Margallo.
That
Puntos.
was Kelly, puntos yon sa Greyhounds. Martinez. Talagang bantay sarado ang net. Height is might dito sa Greyhounds.
Binawian after that block coming from Margallo. Binawian din ni Martinez with that block. Now on the service deck, jersey number 15, Martires. It's Martires. And it is Another point for the UNC Greyhounds. Sorry, it's Martres pala. Jersey number 15 from the UNC Greyhounds. Isabel now, the opposite, Barosa. Good cover there. It's a cross-court hit coming from jersey number 8.
Isabel really finding the line there on the last sequence. Now 17-11. A timeout was called by the Falcons. Medyo Kelly, napapalayo na dito ang lamang ng Greyhounds. They are really putting pressure on their service and in their spikes para mahirapan dito makamanufacture ng points ang USI Falcons.
That's true, Aljan. And as we can see, both teams palitan lamang ng unforced errors at sa side naman ng UNC Greyhounds, medyo rumarami lang talaga yung mga unforced errors pero naibabawi naman at sa side ng USI Falcons, patuloy pa rin ang laban ng mga batang ito. After that timeout, balik po tayo sa action na yon pero shoutout muna natin si Angeline Lagatic, Karen Sadia Tahom, Rocky Cebuyo, and Joaquin Barnedo. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Still on the service deck, it's jersey number 15, Martres. Another poor reception. Good save. A chance, but it's an outside. Coming from jersey number 11. It's Mandasok.
Now UNC is really trying to pull away in this second set. And the USI Falcons, they have to contain their confidence coming for a third set. Kasi ilang points na lang mako-close na ang set number 2, but we'll see if kaya makahabol ng Falcons. But that last sequence ng Martires, what a good service coming from her.
That's true, Aljan. As we have mentioned nga palagi, they have a very strong serve. Kaya naman palagi napupuntusan dito ang USI Falcons. Still on the service deck. Kanina pa siya dyan. It's Martires. Good reception. Now Margallo, nagawa ng paraan. Dig by Martires. On the opposite, UNC, good save. A net violation from Margallo. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now only 5 points to close the set.
Maraming salamat po, 269 viewers sa ating live stream. And with that sequence, regalo coming from the UNC Greyhounds.
That was the Staho. Bantay sarado ang net.
Itong-
Nobody home.
That's true, Aljan. Itong napakatangkad na player from the UNC Greyhounds. Talagang naabot yung bola. As we have seen earlier on that sequence, regalo ang ibinigay. Still, Martires. Good ball. In the middle, gawa ng paraan. To the opposite. It's inside.
Na Chavez finding that deep corner, walang nakabantay sa USI Falcons, and they're not expecting that. That was a long hit for Chavez.
That's true, Aljan. Still on the service deck, Martires. Good serve once again. Margallo with that.
No
Receive
stops.
mo, palo mo.
That's where Kelly stops the bleeding for the Falcons. 12-22. Wide gap, Kelly. Wide gap.
That's true, Aljan. And Margallo acing that point. Dun sa receive ko, papaluin ko. Napakagandang sequence yon, Aljan. Ngayon naman, to the open. Good dig. Hindi nagawa ng paraan. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. Napakagandang palo coming from Arizobal. Shout out Ma'am Cristina Marie Dalara. Magandang hapon po.
Now
Both
we are
teams
having Kelly
substitutions.
substitution. Nagbabalasa na dito ng players ang both teams. The team captain For USI is out. Concha is in.
On the side of the UNC Greyhound, jersey number 10, Luna, serving. Good serve. Full reception once again. A chance. A little. Nagkabungguan doon sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Hindi gaanong maganda na naipasa yung bola, kaya naman puntos for the USI Falcons. Now on the service line, it's Sena. Napakatangkad ng player na to. Good serve. Now chance. Mandasok.
Bantay sarado siya doon.
Another good block coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Puntos po, isa na lamang ang kakailanganin ng UNC to close this second set. Let's see if they can close it or the USI Falcon can extend this set. Good serve once again. An almost service ace.
Now, 25-13, UNC Greyhounds reigning the second set. For more action, magbabalik po kami for our third set. Only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here, live na live, sa NCF Covered Court. 2-set to none UNC Greyhounds. Talaga namang nagwawagi dito sa first 2-set ng laban na to. At dito naman sa USI Falcons, nag-improve yung performance nila ng second set. Medyo kinapos lang. And to give us some updates, let's toss it to our courtside reporter, Amanda. Thank you so much. Tatawagin natin ulit mamaya si Amanda for the meantime. First point will go to the Falcons.
That's true, Aljon. Ayun nga, as what we observed earlier sa second set, another challenges na kinaharap ng USI Falcons dito, yung reception talaga. And I think they can be more better on that. But let's get back on the side of the USI Falcons and let's hear an update coming from Amanda. Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Callie and Aljon. The team is still working to gain their advantage against the opponent, still making an adjustments after analyzing the strength and weakness of the Greyhounds inside the hard court. The assistant coach of Falcons, Coach Maros, advised the team to secure always their service. Dagdag pa niya na always make sure na lahat ng atake ay magiging puntos para makuha nila ang larong ito. Presence of mind, blockings, and attacks naman ang pinaalala ni Coach Krisha after calling a timeout. The players are still hoping and holding their positive mind that they can bounce back after the third set. On the third set, babawi at hahabol. Yan nga ang sinigaw ng USI Falcons bago matapos ang huddle. Yan lamang updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Amanda. So, Falcons have to double their efforts in order to extend this set.
That's true, Aljon. And that sequence na we have seen, pumupuntos po ngayon ang UNC Greyhounds. New players inside the court. Yung kaninang 6 first stringers ng UNC ay iba ang pinasok ngayon. Almost sa side ng UNC. But now, let's hear an update naman on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Alyssa, anong balita natin dyan?
On the third set of the game, and the Greyhounds are now eager to go home with their first win this season. During the huddle, the girls were reminded to keep their composure and did not give their opponent the momentum. On the previous sets, we witnessed the team showcasing efficient attacks, high blocking percentage, and hustles inside the hard court. Words of encouragement and reminders were also heard during the huddle, such as to communicate better and just enjoy the rest of the game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. So, we're certain that the composure of UNC Greyhounds is really there. Like how they play on the first set and second set, and we'll see if they can contain that composure in this third set.
That's your Aljon, but now, that opposite hulog once again. Ngayon naman, at the back, puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. Wow.
Now, on that last sequence, that was a lucky point kasi nakapwesto na doon ang depensa ng Falcons, pero hindi nakapwesto ng maayos ang depensa. That's why, points. That's true, Kelly.
Now she's serving. Jersey number 17. Another good serve. The opposite. Nagkalituhan. Supposedly dapat kukunin yun ni Felices since she is on the long position. Pero yun nga, hindi inaasahan. Check ball. Puntos for the USI Falcons. A service out. Another unforced error for the USI Falcons.
Si Felices ba nagbalik? Now, on the side of the Greyhounds, si Felices po ang nagbalik sa Greyhounds.
Yes.
Last season, hindi siya nakapag-play because of the circumstances, but now, she's healthy. on her last playing year in Bucal Season 5.
Now on the service deck, on the side of USI, jersey number 2. Good serve. Wow! That cross-court hit coming from Isabel. Kanina niya pa ipinapakita ang napakalakas na palo coming from the open. Now she's serving. Good serve! Service ace!
Another bomb was released by Isabel.
That's true, Aljan. She's still on the service line. Good serve once again. Now, a hole. Napakalaking butas. Ang nasa side ng USI Falcons, walang kumuha. Walang nakapag-save puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. Another good serve. Nagawa ng paraan. Good dig. Felices. Good dig there. And on the middle.
Too much angle on that attack coming from Martires. Maganda sana yung decision making niya doon. Napalakas lang ng konti.
Ngayon ko na naman lang nakita si Felices na pumalo after a consecutive years of not being part of the roster of the UNC Greyhounds, and wala pa rin talagang pinagbago. That elevation. Now on the side of the USI Falcons, jersey number 1, Margallo. Good serve. Felices gagawa ng paraan. Now, a chance. Felices. Cross-court hit. Puntos. 4K.
Really
Felices.
finding that hole on the cross court.
Now,
Substitution for the Greyhounds. Talagang binabalasan na dito ni Coach Vincent ang kanyang mga players.
the service specialist, an effective service specialist. Hindi natansya doon. Yung serve na yon ni Lavapie. Kaya naman pumuntos ang USI Falcons. Now serving. Felices, gawa ng paraan. Now, Sena. Puntos po for the UNC Greyhounds.
Well, now 6-point deficit. UNC Greyhounds trying to pull away in the third set.
Service ace once again from the UNC Greyhounds.
That was Luna. A bomb was released by Luna. Makikita mo talaga, Kelly, no? Ang UNC Greyhounds, in terms of their service, talaga namang baon kung baon.
That's true, Aljan. Kaya pinapahirapan nila dito when it comes to receive. Ang USI Falcons, hindi masyadong nakukuha ni Brina. Kaya napatawag ngayon ng timeout ang USI Falcons. And with that, syempre, batian muna natin ang lahat ng live viewers dito sa ating live streaming. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Binabati ko po si Rojem San Andres, Kia Villanueva, Angel Zoratan, Chi Ramos, Kyle Roslyn Otero, Jess Kimpo, Francis Philip Felices. I think he is related to Kay Felices. Francis Manzano, Vivi Bar, Angel Zoratan, and Crystal Joyce Cruz. Magandang hapon po and maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagtutok sa ating live streaming. Dito lang yan sa Bucal Season 5 Women's Volleyball. Now we are back on the court. On the service line, jersey number 10, Luna. Ngayon, Sena gagawa ng paraan. Puntos for USI Falcons. Net touch violation. Puntos from Greyhounds. Ngayon, sa side naman ng USI Falcons, jersey number 10, Punsha. Good serve. Ngayon, a chance for the Falcons. Sena. Good save there. Chance once again. 1-2 play. But it go straight down to the net. 4 touches for the UNC Greyhounds.
That was a back-to-back point for the USI Falcons.
Still on the service deck, jersey number 10, Punsha. Babawi. Ngayon, chance. Punsha to Sena. Ngayon, good dig by Felices. Binigay sa opposite. Good dig there. Punsha to the lefty. Good cover there. Felices. Another good. Sayang. Magandang bantay sana pero hindi pa rin nagawa ng paraan. It's actually a good dig there coming from Barosa.
That's true, Kelly. And let's also commend how Felices powering it through.
Now entering the court, it's jersey number 3.
Now a tall front line for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now she's on the service deck, Felices. A chance. Pinawid ni Barosa. In the middle. A point for the UNC Greyhounds. It's jersey number 17. Wow. That middle hitter. It's Binaday. Good serve. Chance. Another. Hulog. Butas once again. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Well, that was a good point for Boubier. Her first point.
Now still on the service deck, Felices. Another good serve. Almost a service ace. Now a chance. Good cover there. Wow! A down the line hit. Nabantayan sana ng libero doon. Pero with that kill, napakalakas. Hindi kinaya ng libero. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. Service ace once again. Coming from Felices.
Now Felices is not only good in terms of spiking, but her service is also very effective. 19-8. Only few points away to win their first game.
Ngayon, chance for UNC Greyhounds. In the middle, once again. Puntos.
Binaday powering it through. Well, the connection of the setter in the middle blocker.
That's true. That is why setter has a very crucial role inside the court because she is a playmaker. And it's an advantage if you really have a good connection with your spikers. Another good serve. Now a chance. Puntos for Realite. And with that, she stops the bleeding.
That's true. And looking at that sequence, lumusot sa blockers ang bola na yon because she see na may gap ang blockers ng Greyhounds. Now, they are trying to somehow makadikit dito sa kalamangan ng Greyhounds, but the Greyhounds 5 points away in winning the first game.
On the opposite, it's there. Good save. Now chance for the UNC Greyhounds. The open spiker. Good dig there. Ngayon, Realite, nagawa ng paraan.
Bobier, pinapos sa tira na yon.
Go straight down to the net. Puntos for the USI Falcons. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Medyo malayo pa. Let's see if may extend pa ng USI Falcons or tatapusin na ng UNC Greyhounds. Now still on the service deck, jersey number 12, the Ite. Good serve. To the opposite. A down the line hit. Napakagandang hit. Nakapwesto yung opposite na yon on that cross court pero ibinigay niya sa down the line.
That was a good variation in terms of the spiking of Balani.
That's a good point.
Now, full front line dito sa Greyhounds.
On the middle. Good save. Hindi pa rin nagawa ng paraan. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now 3 points away in winning their game number 1. Still serving Binaday.
An outside service coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon naman sa side ng USI, Sena serving. Full reception for the UNC. Ayun, Sena with that receive. Hulog. Coming from jersey number 2 of USI, it's Realike. Lumalaban at patuloy na lumalaban dito ang USI Falcons. Still on the service line, Sena. But it's an outside.
That was a 3-point for the Greyhounds, 23. 2 points away in closing the set number 3.
To Aljon. Siyempre, binabati ko po si Rain Reyes na patuloy na nanunood dito sa ating live streaming. Magandang hapon sa iyo. Good receive there by Barosa. Sorry, good spike there by Barosa. It's a good receive by Brina. Kaya naman puntos for the USI Falcons.
A good target, down the line hit. And nobody home for the Greyhounds.
That's true. It seems like the players of the USI Falcons are now enjoying the game. And yan naman talaga ang importante. Now on the service deck, Realike. But it's an out.
A crucial unforced error, giving a 3-point now. The Greyhounds are feeling it. They are match point.
Isa na lamang po ang kakailanganin ng UNC Greyhounds at ang nasa side ng UNC for the service, it's jersey number 3.
Bobier is on the serving line.
Taking her time. Good serve. Pinuha ni Margallo. Puntos po. And UNC Greyhound won the game. Congratulations to the both teams.
25-13. Congratulations, UNC, for upsetting the USI Falcons. And to wrap things up, We'll be right back for more action only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
is now time to recognize the best player of the game. It is brought to you by Willprint, quality printing, excellent service, your printing service since 1985. The UNC Lady Greyhounds got their first win this season, showcasing their unbreakable team chemistry, their impressive attacks and defensive plays, and one player showcased her determination and drive to win, no other than jersey number 15, Carly Gale Martirez with 10 points, 3 attacks, 2 blocks, and 5 service aces. Good afternoon and congratulations. First game, first win this Bucal Season 5. How does it feel that you are off to a good start this season?
Masaya po and thankful at thankful po na naipanalo po namin ang game na mayo pong nadidisgrasya.
What can the audience expect from the Lady Greyhounds on your next games naman?
Mas higitan pa po namin, mas doble kayod pa po para po sa next game and sana po may good result na mayari po.
Okay, of course, best player of the game. Sino naman ang mga gusto mong i-shout out at pasalamatan?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako kay God at natapos po yung game na mayaman pong nangyayari and naipanalo po namin. And sa family ko po, nagrabi po ang suporta. And sa UNC community, sa UNC Criminology po, and kay Love po.
Alright, thank you and congratulations once again. Now, this has been Eliza Faith Potesa Respeto, courtside reporter of the UNC Lady Greyhounds, only here on Bucal Season 5, 1 Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Well, congratulations, UNC Greyhounds, upsetting the USI Falcons. And with that, our POG is no other than Carla Gale Martires with 10 points, 3 attacks, 2 blocks, and 5 service aces. Wow, congratulations.
Congratulations, of course, UNC Greyhounds, and of course to the USI Falcons. At mga kaibigan, hindi pa po tapos ang laban. Dahil for our second game, it's NCF Lady Tigers versus the Ateneo Lady Knights. So patuloy lang pong tumutok dito sa One Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
It's time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.